Order in Ohio, a win for reproductive rights as most voters are still largely in favor of legal abortion.
A majority of voters tonight saying yes to issue number one, passing a constitutional amendment protecting access to abortion.
Our Marissa Thomas was in Ashtabula tonight speaking with voters there to get their thoughts on this issue. Marissa, what'd you hear?
Good evening, Mike and Emily. The Supreme Court overturned Roe versus Wade a year ago, allowing states to decide. And tonight, voters in Ohio voted to enshrine the right to an abortion in the state constitution. Ohio voters approved a constitutional amendment today that guarantees the right to abortion. The outcome of today's intense off-year election was the latest blow for abortion opponents. But tonight, Ohio became the 7th state where voters decided to protect abortion access after the landmark ruling. Many voters I spoke with tonight tell me their main concern with issue 1 was that it included some of the most protective language for abortion of any statewide ballot, to include abortion from conception to very late term.
Abortion shouldn't be used as a form of birth control, but I think it's unrealistic to say that you can't get an abortion past 6 weeks. I mean, there could be circumstances to where the child is in danger, the mother's life is at stake. Nobody should have the right to make that decision for you.
I understand like a girl that gets raped and things like that, they should be, special circumstances should be accepted. But what's on the bottom on late-term abortions and things like that, that just tells me someone decides they don't want to be a mother or want to be a parent. I can't go with it. I can't agree with that.
A lot of voters I spoke with tonight were also passionate about issue 2, which would create a new law legalizing and regulating recreational marijuana. And Ohio voters also approved this, allowing for the possession and use of marijuana for people 21 and older. Growth and sale would be regulated. Live in the studio, Marissa Thomas, Erie News Now.